Scientists claim to have discovered a new colour that has never been seen before by the human eye. It's called Olo and it was made using lasers. It looks a bit like this, but it can only be seen by having laser light fired directly into your eyes. Now for the sciencey bit. Normally we see colour because light hits the three types of cone cells in our eyes. These are short, medium and long wavelength cones. Our brains interpret the combined signals from these cones to determine what we see. Most colours activate a mix of all three, but this new technique involves zapping only the M cones, isolating them completely. It's like giving your brain a signal that it's never had before, and then it responded by seeing a colour that doesn't exist in nature. This technique, called Oz, allows for selective activation of these cells, allowing us to see colour outside the normal human visual range. People who took part in the experiment said that they saw a very saturated blue-green colour, which they called Olo. This colour is not something that you can print or paint because it lives in the strange no man's land of visual perception, more like a brain glitch than a pigment. According to the people who've seen it, it's more vivid and intense than anything on the visible spectrum. But not everyone is convinced. There is skepticism within the scientific community about this colour. Some researchers argue that Olo isn't really a new colour, but a new perceptual experience. Since it's not physically measurable and the effects depend heavily on the setup and the equipment used and the person seeing it, they think it's more of a clever optical trick. Either way, it's a nice reminder that our perception of the world is just a version of reality, shaped by biology, and in the long run, discoveries like this could help us to understand vision better, or even expand the way we experience the world. So don't throw too much shade at it just yet.